In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ETH future while talking about Ethereum cost gauge for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Ethereum. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Ethereum value forecast and answer questions in the event that ETH is a wise venture or not. For what reason will ETH succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Ethereum value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is ETH and its to-date history. Ethereum value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-05 20 plus 4.89% $1937. 112023 21 plus 8.90% $2011 05 2023 22 plus 8.24% $1998 2023 23 plus 7.48% $1984 2023 24 plus 1.71% $1878 2023 25 plus 1.35% $1871 2023 26 plus 4.41% $1928 2023 27 plus 6.59% $1968 2023 28.10% $1826 2023 29 plus 0.25% $1851 2023 30 plus 3.27% $1,907.17 Ethereum value forecast 2023 high expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance pondered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Gen plus 3.99% $1,920.47. 2023 Joel plus 2.89% $1,900.21. 2023 AUG plus 13.00% $2,086.78. 2023 SEP plus 14.44% $2,113.45. 2023 OCT plus 13.73% $2,100.34. 2023 NOV plus 28.89% $2,380.37. 2023 DEC plus 24.05% $2,290.88. 2024 JAN plus 37.16% $2,532.96. 2024 FEB plus 42.03% $2,622.88. 2024 Blemish plus 50. 5.41%, $2,777.65. 2024 APRA plus 55.17%, $2,865.65. 2024 May plus 56.00%, $2,880.93. ETH value forecast 2025 our expectation model sees ETH coming to $14,478.52 in 2025. What will ETH be worth in 5 years? The cost of ETH in 5 years could lie around $4,407.82. Ethereum value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Ethereum will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Ethereum coming to $36,196.29 in 2030. What Ethereum will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Ethereum coming to $72,392.58 in 2040. Is Ethereum worth purchasing? We are promoters of reasonably dangerous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of large cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Ethereum merits purchasing. Is Ethereum a wise speculation? Ethereum is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Ethereum be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $1,728.56. In the long haul, it could leap to $36,196.29 or considerably higher. For what reason will Ethereum succeed and get more expensive? Ethereum has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Ethereum ascending to $36,196.29 in 2030. For what reason will Ethereum fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the undertaking. Controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. More effective contenders. Absence of very much planned advertising procedure. Losing local area support. Possible weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Ethereum go? Our gauging model sees Ethereum value detonating and coming to $72,392.58 in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Ethereum? Ethereum will reach $1,728.56 in the following 90 days, which is a 6.4% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $1,846.75. Might Ethereum at any point make you a mogul? Indeed, assuming that you purchase huge enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become an Ethereum mogul. However, 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto, so a $10K interest in Ethereum could make you a tycoon. Ethereum value expectation today. What will be the cost of Ethereum tomorrow? Ethereum will float around $1,869 and